Break tower, November 4440 Alpha, holding short runway 10 right at Bravo, ready for takeoff, westbound departure.
Space Tower, Cessna 353 Tango, over the trailer park at 1400 feet. Information Yankee, request close traffic.
Seneca 4440 Alpha, North Berry Tower, roger, standby, landing traffic.
Standby, 40 Alpha.
I'm sorry, Seneca 40 Alpha, left or right down departure for runway 10 right, full lane, clear for takeoff.
Left down departure for 10 right, clear for takeoff, 140 Alpha. Está duro. ¿O te gusta?
Okay, floor.
Okay. 2000 RPM.
Tower uniform Charlie.
32 uniform Charlie, runway 10 right, clear for the
green.
10 right, clear for the
Full power. Airspeed is alive, engine gauges are all green.
Go ahead, mile pie. Está frenando.
80. Frenando.
Sí. Ponerlo a lo negro. Ok, positive ref climb. Gear up. The left downwind?
Left downwind.
Right.
Okay, 300. 120.
25.
500.
November 32 Tango, runway 10 left, clear for the option, after the option, make left traffic.
Runway 10 left, clear for junction, left traffic, 3 Tango.
Seneca 40 Alpha, contact Miami departure, so long.
Contact Miami. Have a good night, 40 Alpha.
Good night. Solo.
52 Bravo Hotel.
¿Sabes qué significa?
Solo.
No, solo.
Así como hasta la siguiente.
Suerte.
Miami approach, Seneca 4440 Alpha, just departed from North Berry at 1100, climbing to 1600.
Standby, JetBlue 2851, turn right heading 140, counter departure 1945, expedite to 7.
Roger to 140, departure 1945, expedite to 7, JetBlue 2851.
November 352, Bravo Hotel, contact departure on 119.45.
1945, 352 Bravo, have a good day.
November 444 Sierra Alpha, Miami departure, radar contact, maintain VFR to below 2000 westbound.
Maintain VFR out of below 2000 westbound, 40 Alpha.
Departure Southwest 3692, 2000 for 3000, heading 095.
Southwest 3692, Miami departure, radar contact, climb and maintain 5000.
223, landing light.
Southwest 3692.
November 444 Sierra Alpha, what's your approach request?
Say again, 40 Alpha.
What's your approach request at executive?
ILS runway 9er, 40 Alpha.
Roger that. Information, Delta's current at Fort Lauderdale executive, altimeter is 3011.
3011 with Delta, 40 Alpha.